one of the oldest sewing machine shops in the Bay Area, servicing machines since the 1940s. A part of San Francisco's rich history within the garment district, machines like this help supported manufacturing within the Bay Area. And it all started with this couple, Charlie and Ida, building relationships with emerging brands and working with large-name sewing machine manufacturers like Juki, their original location in San Francisco. Now relocated to San Bruno, they have a showroom where you can come in and test out machines. They also have used machines, parts, and offer machine repairs, restoring old machines, and a wide selection of threads for any needs, from embroidery to upholstery. They also have notions and sewing supplies, offering elastic, felt, to tearaway, and even pattern supplies, rulers, cutting tools. Come check out our San Bruno location, and whatever your needs are, we can help.